Experts say by 2030, Africa's mineral market could surpass $1 trillion. Yes, you heard right, $1 trillion. One of the best decisions of my lifetime is investing in African minerals, especially gemstones and rare earth minerals. So guys, on this channel, I'm always about going where the smart money goes. And this time around, I've decided to bring you along. I've decided to invest in gemstones. Since I discovered this business, everything has changed. This is something that many Africans are not interested in. It's one of the greatest businesses in Africa, but so many people don't know about this. Early investors are seeing returns of up to 200% in just 3 years. The gemstones are rarely talked about, and that's where the money is. This business is filled with Chinese, Arabs, and Europeans. Many Africans are not even aware there's such a business they can undertake. But since that's where your business plug, that's why we're bringing you gemstones as a new way to invest and secure your money in Africa. There have never been a better time in history to get into African businesses. That's what we've been talking about on this channel for the past 2 years, and we keep bringing you golden opportunities. Gems and rare earth minerals is one of those opportunities. Since I decided to get into gemstones in Africa, the returns are insane. It's an average of 200% return in this business. This is something you should seriously consider if you are looking into investing in the motherland. It is the ideal business for African diaspora. The gemstone market is booming and Africa is leading the way. So be early, be smart. Start your journey today.